To other news now, scores of job seekers turned up at the University of the West Indies today in response to advertised jobs in the public sector. The job fair was hosted to try to fill the posts amid an ongoing shortage in some skilled areas. Shamela Pullen has the story.
The quest to find employment drew scores of people to the University of the West Indies for the Health Ministry's Career Expo and Job Fair. With hundreds of vacancies on offer, these young persons are hoping they can secure one.
When I first graduated, I started to apply everywhere before I even graduated. And I went to the different offices, like regional offices, schools, everywhere, but no response. So I started working at the call center and I'm there. So I still want to go in social work. I'm not going to give up. So I'm here today just to see what happens for me.
I said, let me come here so I can learn something. Or even if I want to do something else, I could get a better understanding about it.
Because I just recently completed a course in phlebotomy, registered phlebotomy. And I would like to come here to see if I can get employed in that area.
On criticisms by the opposition that the two-day event is a waste of time.
Again, that's a shallow analysis, and I tell you why. Part of building out hospitals is to improve working conditions. Part of approving more posts is to support security of tenure. Part of giving the Barwin scholarship to study and then bonding person is all about retention. So if one were to look strategically and tactically as to what we are doing with all of those initiatives, which is why I say we have to look at the whole, we would have to conclude that retention is a key component of that strategy.
Director of Nursing Services at the St. Anne's Bay Hospital, Carmen Johnson, is also a former president of the Nurses Association of Jamaica. She knows all too well how the migration of nurses has impacted the quality of care at public health facilities.
So we have approximately 5,800 plus, and what we really need is 11,000 plus. And so our hope is that today, those who are coming from the high school, the colleges and universities, if we can at least impact 200 more minds to say that they want to come into nursing to come in. And if we can impact those already nursing to come into the other fields of nursing, the specialist areas, that is our hope today.
The compensation packages that were offered and that were reviewed. So that is also something to look forward to. So it is not like before where we were really very low in the scale. We are a little bit further up.
Over 600 positions have been advertised by the Ministry of Health. It is hoping to fill these vacancies over the next 2 days. Shamela Pullen for TVJ News.